Hi guys, design a smart guest house in the backyard is an explored project that can provide extended living space, increase property value, and create a choosy retreat for guests or even sub as a home often here guests that cover key aspects of plan, design and build a smart backyard guest house that cover in cabin layout idea, design style and budget considering understanding the property proposed of your guest house before jump into design and construction. It's fact your prominent promax of the guest house comex use home often and studio supplement area to work or pro hobby like plan and write. Guest accommodate provide space for friends and family, kids or family member space. A traditional place for drink or extra family. Understanding the proper guest choice, layout, and budget. The final space match your space need. Choose the right location for your place, your guest house, effect, provide and sunlight. Here are some features to consider. Main house. Close effect to feel connect but where to often provide sunlight and shade. Think about nature light and whether tree or fence while provide the space need. Provide considering use landscape fence or post the guest house provide for both guest and main house offer pathway and accessible. Plan a soft well its place from the main house to the guest house, which is a fact inside if it's well soft as a return. Design the layout. When design a smart guest often affect use of space. It's essential. Here are posting layout idea and consider for a composed functional design. Multifunctional furniture. Other for furniture with double purpose such as a soft bed, follow out depth and story mud bed for idea for maximize space when you want living area due the rain. Open connected living. In smart space often connected layout make the interior feel more soft, convenient. The living room, kitchen and sleep area can help read while wall create an area field. Left bed. Left bed. A left can provide add sleep space without expand the footprint. Left and idea in guest house with high call and can Create a cozy space area for guests. Compost kitchen. A kitchen with essential application is soft for most guest house. Match to board, smart, sleep, or space save other. Bedroom design. A full bedroom cabin of sleep in the stud add for guest house compact bathroom bedroom with choosy show and wide room design are effect for smart space solved built in shape hide story underbed and virtual cabin maximize limited space without cuts the area. Interior design and aesthetic choice. Expand design for your guest house should complement your main house style while add often unique charm. Here are some ideas to inspire the look. Match the main house. For a untried look, use the same material, look, and architecture design as your primary. This appear is idea if your property have a classic style like cool modern minimalism. A simple design with clean line, natural color, and long window of sleep look. This style look work well in both a rustic set create and retreat open atmosphere. Eco friendly design. Solar panel, green road, and rainwater collective can make your guest house friendly. Other for sustainability, main interest, material and electric effect window rate the campaign footprint and unique cost. Rustic style. If your main house have a rest of convenient vibrant incorporating natural look like wood